Soft neon glow, easy to install, reusable year after year. This bunny neon sign with a 10 by 13 acrylic see-through backing solves a lot of the problems of boring seasonal decor. It is an acrylic with LED, so it's super lightweight, less than 1/4 of an inch thick, no glass, no true neon. It's LED light technology, low voltage, so it stays cool. It is USB powered, so it works with a power bank, a laptop, or you can plug it into the wall. Super easy to install and super lightweight. I love the reflective qualities against this mirror, but it does come with a hanging chain, and it also comes with sheetrock support. So whether you want to use the included pre-drilled holes to hang it or set it about, I find that super versatile as well. And if you want to use suction wreath hangers and hang it on a window, I think it's lightweight enough that it would work perfect for that. Overall, I think that stands out to me. It's a super easy seasonal decor. I think it's great for kids or kids' rooms, small spaces, rental. So it gives that cozy, festive lighting, instant Easter fun. You can make it brighter or darker with the included controls. So with the dimmability, you get energy efficient, long lifespan. I like that it's acrylic. I like it's not glass. I like that it's USB portable, neon technology without much of the fuss. As you can see, it's not a harsh glow, but it feels festive and reusable year after year. So you get that soft glow vibe without much effort. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.